Welcome back to Tony's Exploration. Join me as I show you the progress of planting muskmelons. This video will only showcase the growing progress, without going into the details. I'll upload another video explaining the details, techniques, fertilization, and the steps to grow delicious muskmelons right in your backyard. For now, let's enjoy this video. Day 13. It's time to transplant, but first, let's build a net house. From now on, let's relax and see how fast these melons grow. Day 80. Time to harvest. Nothing beats this sweet, juicy, homegrown melon. Thank you for watching. Remember to check out part 2 where I explain all the details and techniques. Please help to subscribe and see you in next video.